Good morning. This video is about the area of a parallelogram. And if you take a look right here, the area formula is very simple. It's written out in words below. Area is the base times the height. And we have here an example. We'll look a little closer. It's parallelogram A, B, C, D. And we are going to look at calculating its area. Please remember that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent, and that can be helpful for this calculation because besides having the dimension of 5 centimeters here, we can also label it here on segment AD. And the dimension 6 centimeters for segment CD can also be written here for segment BA. Remember when we looked at area for triangles, we focused in on the right angle because a base and height have to be perpendicular. So 6 is going to operate as the base and 4 as the height. Now, for many of us, it actually helps to study the diagram this way for a moment. Base of 6 and height of 4. And remember, for your calculations, I don't mind if you work with the picture in a position that helps your mind focus on what you need. Right now, because of space and so my hand doesn't get in the way, I am going to twist it back and show the calculation over here on the side. So area is base times height. The base is always the side of the parallelogram, so that is the 6. And the height is 4. 24 when I multiply those, and it's centimeters squared for the label. Pull up so you can see all of that. Switched pages here so we can look at a second example. Rectangles are actually parallelograms. They have sets of parallel sides. So we are going to be able to work with our area calculation for this rectangle as well. So please again remember that you can take a moment and transfer some labels. Segment FG is congruent to segment EH. Segment HG is congruent to segment EF. The sides of a rectangle form 90-degree angles, so we are able to use 8 and 6. Ooh, I missed my mark there. As a base and height. Switch to red, it's a little bit darker. So 6 times 8 is 48. And this is also centimeters squared. Pulling up so you can see all of this. And I will post images of these as well. Have a good day.